South Africa and such a great way to explore the garden.
So exciting!
Wow.
So today we are going to explore some fun things to do in the garden.
Yes.
Wow! Wow!
Well, we are at Stodels Nursery. What is a nursery, Teacher Stacey?
A nursery is a place where we keep plants and we sell plants and many other gardening equipment.
That's exciting. So let's go see what they have.
Let's go! Wow, come have a look on this side.
What color flowers do you see?
Yes, we have red and purple.
Oh, what about this yellow one?
And orange. So beautiful.
Can you guess the size of this plant? Wow, it's a small flower. Yes, let's go see what else they have. Wow, look at this. This is quite a big flower. What color do you see on this flower? Yes, I see white and I see purple. Wow, they can get quite big. Come, let's go have a look. Wow, we have different plants. It's all green and they look quite big, right? Wow, look at this. This is a palm bamboo. Can you say palm bamboo? Wow, those are quite beautiful, right? Come, let's go have a look. You know what, guys? This is such a cool plant. It is called the fiddle leaf tree. Can you say fiddle leaf tree? And they also get big. Come have a look at their leaves. It's so big. Wow. And quite sturdy. Wow, guys, look at this. I found some succulents. Can you say succulent? Wow. This one has some thorns on them. Ow, don't touch them. And did you know succulents actually has a lot of water in them? Wow! You can go ahead and go plant some succulents. You find at Stodels?
Wow, I found some awesome gardening equipment. Come on, check it out. This is what we call a shovel. Wow, we use it in the garden and we can shovel the sand and the soil to make it nice so that we can plant all our different kinds of seeds. What else do we have? Oh, you'll need some gardening gloves. Oh, let's see. Put on your gardening gloves so that you can protect your hands. Hi! You can protect your hands and your fingers from all the thorns and all the prickly things in the garden. Hey, and you can keep your nails nice too. Okay, what else do we have? We have a water can. You need a watering can to water all your different plants and all your different seeds. So these are some awesome gardening equipment you can use in your garden, everybody. Come on, guys, let's go check what else there is to do in the garden. Let's go. Some beautiful yellow flowers. Wow. Look at this. This is called a rake. You use it in the garden. Let's go. Hi, Teacher Renee. What do you have over here?
Well, I have a pot to plant some seeds. I have a seed and I have some soil. Now, let me show you what do you do with a seed, okay? And how do you plant a seed? Well, we're going to take a seed from the packet. That's how you buy them at Stodels. So I'm gonna take out one seed. Wow, look at that. Come and have a look. Wow. This is called a butternut seed. Okay, we're gonna take the seed. But wait, we first need to fill the pot with some soil. The soil is the house for the seed. There we go. Now, you have to take your seed. But first, let's make a hole. And now place your seed on the inside. Say bye, butternut seed. And we're gonna cover it with some soil. And remember to top it up. There we go. All right, everyone. So once your butternut seed is in its house, we'll have to remember to give it some water and to place it in the sunlight. And after some time, you'll have a butternut. So for now, let's say bye, Mr. Butternut Seed.
Well, everybody, it's important to have fun in the garden and visit the Stodels so that you can get some plants and some trees, because when you plant them, you help the environment. This is so good for everybody. Wow, we had so much fun exploring the garden, everybody. We learned about seeds and gardening equipment and all the fun things you can do in the garden.
Wow, we had so much fun. Make sure you visit a Stodels near you, and we'll see you at the next Music Movement Adventure!